Hey YouTube, this is PhoenixFireLeon. I'm recording this because this is like the biggest blizzard Illinois has ever had since like '79 or whatever. I'm going to show you my backyard and like 4 feet of snow. She has to move. Come on girl. Look how freaking tall the snow is.
Come on, weed it.
My dog. It's like a mountain of snow over everything. But you get out here at like 1 o'clock in the morning and make a path for my dog. That's our pool over there. You can see how tall the snow is. I can't go over there, of course. Our patio, you can't even walk on the patio. But I've seen other YouTubers making videos of this, so I wanted to include this too. They're bird feeders, swing set, whatever. But yeah, it's incredibly tall. I have 2 days off of school already. So, thanks for watching, guys.